In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote Amazon affiliate link on YouTube, guys. This is a best video for beginners and you can apply for 2020 if you are starting Amazon affiliate. Just jump in the video. Before that, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorial. Try to upload one video every day. Also, I'm gonna do another giveaway for when I reach 3,000 subscribers. So watch, like and subscribe so you will get notified when I release new videos also for the giveaway, guys. So this is the video. It's about a book review. I don't buy this book. Basically, this book is about Brian rules. So if I go to Amazon, see, this is the book Brian rules and selling for $11 here, and it had a good customer review. So what I did, I just made a review of that book. I didn't write a review, I didn't record the video, I didn't do anything, just copy and paste method, and in a website that automatically convert your review, your summary into videos. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna put the affiliate link and people are gonna click it, they're gonna buy it, you're gonna make commission. This is a basic ideology of this video, but I can walk you through entire stuff. Again, guys, like and subscribe. And you can see this video is uploaded way back in time around 21st September, and there's a big spike on that video within 24 hours, have 28 views, then it goes slowly. It's happened for the YouTube videos, and if it's smaller channels, it will take a while to get back into it takes some time to get more views, guys. So you can see it getting views right there and there, but it's only bring 1 subscribers and 2 watch time is good. But if you come down the bottom there, you can see it has around 53.4% of audience retention, which means 4 minutes video people are watching half of that time, which is good, guys. So people, YouTube think that videos people engaging a lot and they will promote it. But when these people are searching for keyword that related to this book, and my book will be there, and I make money. So how I make money? Basically, if I go to detailed section here, so you can see the title, the Brain Rule 12 principle of surviving, thriving, work at home school. This is the title of this book, but in the end I put book summary, and directly after that you can see there's a 2 link I put: get you a book on Amazon or get your audio book on Amazon. So if you go to the Amazon affiliate page here, that you can see that you can make up to 5% of commission for audiobooks and books. So if this book is sold for $11, I make around 55 cents, which is not big money, but imagine that you make 100 sales in a month, that you can make lots of money, guys. So this is the way that you can make passive income and you can make money while you're asleep, guys. So what I did now, I find another keyword that people are searching for most on online. So it's called addiction. So not addiction. See, health and fitness book or diet related books are oversaturated and people know lots about it. So you have to come up with some other keywords that you want to promote. You can do Google search and find out. For example, addiction is one of the things people are searching for it. On here, I'm going to promote this book. It's called Rewire. So it's about breaking addiction and learning new habits. Again, this book is have a good customer review and is selling for $13, guys. So I can make around 60 to 65 cents from this book. So how I gonna do a video? How can I make a review video of this book? Basically, what I do is go to Google and search for this entire book title, and in the end I'm going to put a book summary. It will bring 2 things. One, it will bring in a blog post, people are writing a review of this book. Actually, they bought the book or they bought the audio version and listen to it or read the book and they made a review. What you can do, don't copy and paste entire review. Just you can go there and read the review and you can make it around 4 minutes worth of a summary. Or you can visit website next to Amazon. On those websites, they will basically write a book summary before they will lead to the sales page. They write in a book summary. You can see it's around 200 words, something like that. Okay, basically they talk about what this book about, who's write this book and something like that, right? So this is the summary. What you're gonna do, you're gonna copy that and go to website like Vietnamese. Again, Vietnamese is free for 14 days. If you click the link in the description, you can get 14-day free trial and also 25% in discount for live, guys. But basically what this website is going to do, you're going to select the format that you want, video format, and you're going to go to script where you're going to copy and paste your entire summary, which is you already copy on here, and basically copy and paste it here, and see it will automatically add pictures and videos for your text and voice. This is the one thing this software is do, auto voice. You can add human like voice for that, and if you click preview, and you can see your text is now turned into video, guys. There's a pre version that you can see. There's another website that you can use it for free. I will show you in a minute, guys. So you can see this is the video. If you let's play the video. See, simple. The text is turned into 2 minutes video. Now, if you can't afford Vietnamese, then you can go to Lumen 5. Again, it's a paid version, but there's a free version that you can make 3 videos per month. They're gonna add the watermark, but it's completely free. They can do the same thing like Vietnamese. You can put the text, and if they automatically add scene, in majority of the time they can add the pictures rather than videos, but there's no auto voice on that platform. But you can use it for free or here. So what you're going to do, you're going to download this video here from that, and you can upload it into your YouTube account. Don't worry, you are not going to make money from YouTube. So even you are not eligible for monetization, your main target is to make money from affiliate marketing. After you put that, go to your affiliate link here, and you can click this book open, and you can click text button on the top. When you register for Amazon affiliate again, this bar will automatically appear in your Amazon page, guys. So you're going to click text, and you can click this link, and you're going to put it on the description. See, this video is only on this Amazon affiliate account. You can see only one link I put it on here. Not many products I'm promoting at the moment, only one Amazon affiliate link, and you can see this link is generating over 30, you can say 18 clicks, guys, for a month. I didn't make any sales like this happen, because it won't happen with overnight, and it won't happen with one product. It would take a time, and you can promote multiple products, but this system works. That's why I'm making videos. I able to convert my viewers, 57 views, into 18 click, guys. Now what you can do is, when you made this video here, then you can put it on the Facebook, you can put it on Twitter, you can put it on Pinterest, you can put it on Parley, you can put it on Dailymotion, you can put it on Libre, which I already made a review about that. Upload this video on the multiple platform, put your affiliate link there, so whenever people click and buy those, you make commission, guys. This is how you can promote it. This is the best way to promote the books, because it's a book in summary rather than the actual physical book, physical product. But if you want, you can promote toys in a way, but again, books are good for this way to promote, guys. I hope you understand, guys, in this video. This is how you can make money by promoting Amazon affiliate products or affiliate link, guys. I hope you understand, guys. When this channel reach 3,000 subscribers, I will do a £10 giveaway. I will announce it on my community section. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.